Today we will discuss this what is the role of CT value in RT-PCR report in COVID-19 patients. Right? Means nowadays it is very hot topic. What is the role of this CT score? Not actually CT score, it's a CT value in the RT-PCR report. We will get confused with the CT value with the CT score. CT score is different. CT score is a CT chest score, that is the computed tomography that will do in a patients of COVID-19. That is different, and this is a CT value in RT-PCR report. It's a cycle threshold. CT means it's a cycle threshold in the RT-PCR report. Now we'll discuss in detail. In this report, you can see the CT value is 13. So what is the significance of this value? Means most of the private labs are mentioning this value, government labs are not mentioning this value. So what does it mean actually? We'll see. What is CT value? CT value is a marker of the viral load. It's a marker of the viral load. As you can see here, it's a marker of the viral load in a patient, potentially suggesting the severity of the COVID-19 infection. Means it will suggest that CT value will suggest that the severity of the COVID-19 infection. Severity of the COVID-19 infection. Lower the CT value, higher the severity. It is actually inversely proportional, not directly proportional. We'll get confused. Lower the CT value, higher the severity of the COVID-19 infection. Means if it is less, then the chances of severity of the COVID-19 infection is higher. The patient is considered COVID-19 negative if the CT value is more than 35. Right? A patient is considered COVID-19 negative when the CT value in the RT-PCR is more than 35, and the CT value is when below 35 in the RT-PCR, a patient is a COVID positive. Now please take care of these things. Please pay attention over here. What we are going to tell. A patient is considered COVID-19 negative if the CT value in the RT-PCR test is more than 35. The lower the CT value, the higher the severity. Okay? If the CT value is below 35, if the CT value is below 35 in the RT-PCR test, a patient is COVID positive. Now, what we do in the COVID-19 test or RT-PCR test, reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. RT-PCR means reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction, RT-PCR. So first of all, we'll obtain the sample either through the nasopharyngeal or either through the throat swab. Either nasopharyngeal or either through the throat swab. And from that sample, we'll extract DNA. And we extract DNA and we'll convert that DNA into the extract that RNA and we'll convert that RNA into the complementary DNA, cDNA, that is complementary DNA, and we'll amplify with the help of this PCR machine, polymerase chain reaction machine, right? That is called as real-time polymerase chain reaction machine. Now, according to the American Association for the Clinical Chemistry, what they are saying CT refers to the number of cycles needed to amplify the viral RNA to reach a detectable level. What is cycle threshold? Cycle threshold means number of cycles needed to amplify the viral DNA. when you have to amplify the viral RNA, sorry, it's a viral RNA, number of cycles needed to amplify the viral RNA to reach a detectable level, right? CT value, cycle threshold means number of cycles needed for what purpose? To amplify the viral RNA, to reach a detectable level, right? To reach a detectable level. So specimens with lower CT value, if the lower CT value is there, then more viral RNA than those with higher values, suggesting the severity of the COVID-19 infection, right? What they are saying, number of cycles needed to amplify the viral RNA to reach a detectable level, means if the lower CT value, if they will get, if they need lesser number of cycles to amplify the viral RNA, if they need lesser number of cycles to amplify the viral RNA, that means the lower CT value, if the lower CT value, that means viral load of the DNA is more, means that person can spread the infection more potentially than those with higher values, than those with higher CT values. Now, the CT value thus could flag off at risk patient and prioritize them for contact tracing. What we can do? We can means on priority basis, we can quarantine them. If the viral load is more, if the CT value is less, that means viral load is more, means that person is more infectious, potentially is more infectious. So we can, on priority basis, we can quarantine them. That is called as the contact tracing. But pathological labs shy away from routinely reporting this value due to lack of standardization across the test. Most of the pathological labs, they shy away from routinely reporting the CT value because of standardization across the test. Even clinical studies researchers haven't validated using the CT value to manage the COVID-19 cases. Means they are not using the CT value for the management of the COVID-19 illness. They are not taking this point into consideration while treating the disease. Now, ICMR, that is the Indian Council of Medical Research, has rejected Maharashtra government request to reduce the cycle threshold value cut off from 35 to 24 for the positivity rate under RT-PCR test. Means what Maharashtra government has requested, they requested ICMR to reduce the cycle threshold value cut off from 35 to 24. Maharashtra government has requested the cutoff value from 35 to 24. Means if that person is found positive in RT-PCR test and CT value is 24, that means that particular patient CT value is 24, and if the CT value is 24, that means if CT value is 24, that means that person can potentially spread the COVID-19 infection. If it is more than 24, then patient can, means the patient is, what we can say, the means we can say the person is safe. Person is safe means he cannot spread that infection in that manner. So the contact tracing is not needed. That means that person is not infectious. The person is not infectious if the CT value is 24, and that request of Maharashtra government has rejected by the ICMR, and the cutoff value of the city, the cutoff value of the, or we can say the city value cutoff rate, they maintain at 35. They did not reduce up to the 24. They maintain at 35, right? The Maharashtra government had requested the center to reduce the city value so that lesser number of patients come under the positive category. Means what they have said, if the city value is, if the city value is 24, then only patient is positive. If it is more than that, then patient is negative, right? But this request of Maharashtra government has rejected by ICMR, that is the Indian Council of Medical Research, right? However, the ICMR told Maharashtra government implementing a city cutoff of 24 is not at all advisable. It is not at all advisable, as this will lead to missing of several infectious patients, and that may increase the disease transmission. According to ICMR, if we implement this CT cutoff value 24, what will happen? There will be missing of several infectious patients, and that will increase the disease transmission. That's why this request has been rejected by the ICMR. CT value threshold helps to identify whether a patient is COVID positive or not. That means CT value is not important when, means according to ICMR, we cannot said that, we cannot quantify that patient is whether positive or negative according to the CT value. According to the CT value, it will suggest only the viral load. It will tell you the viral load. Now, what are the limitations of the CT value? Limitations of the CT value, as you can see here, limitations of CT value. The CT value might have limitations in reliably predicting the disease severity. You cannot predict, according to the CT value, you cannot predict that particular infection is severe or not. The values can vary depending on the method of specimen collection. Means when it is going to collect, at what time, source, method of transportation, time gap in contracting the infection, collection and analysis. All these factors will going to influence that CT value. So, the American Association for Clinical Chemistry quotes a letter written by the College of American Pathologists Microbiology Committee. It says not all diagnostic assays can produce a CT value. Not all diagnostic assays can produce a CT value. According to Matthew Binnicker, Director of Clinical Virology at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, labs should not routinely report the CT value. Instead, they should provide it to doctors verbally on a case by case. So, this is the ICMR letter to the all hospitals. In their saying, this is with reference to your letter which is dated on the 1st of April 2021 regarding CT value, that is the cycle threshold value for RT-PCR test for COVID-19. Okay. Globally, the accepted cutoff for CT value for COVID-19 ranges from 35 to 40, depending upon the instructions laid down by the individual manufacturers. They have given the cutoff 35 to 90. However, ICMR has taken inputs from different virology laboratories across the country to arrive at a single CT value cutoff based on the individual laboratory experiences. As per uniform consensus, CT cutoff value of 35U with a good sigmoidal rear-time RT-PCR curve is acceptable. All patients of CT value less than 35U considered as a positive. What they are saying? Please concentrate over here. What they are saying? All patients with a CT value less than 35U may be considered as a positive, while CT value more than 35U may be considered as a negative. All samples with CT value less than 35U with poor sigmoidal curve should be essentially retested. Now, three things are there they have mentioned in this letter. What they are saying? If CT value is less than 35U, the patient is positive. If CT value is more than 35U, the patient is what they are saying? If the CT value is less than 35U, patient is positive. If the CT value is more than 35U, it should be considered as a negative. All samples with CT value less than 35U with poor sigmoidal curve should be retested, or it should be considered as inconclusive, and will again do a test or retest. Implementing a CT value cutoff of 24, it is not advisable at all. That will lead to missing of several infectious patients, and that will increase the disease transmission. This is the latest ICMR report or ICMR letter to the Maharashtra government, and we have to follow this according to the ICMR. That's it. Thank you.